Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. Today you and I together will be making grainless granola. This is an amazing granola substitute, especially if you're going grainless. Here's what you'll be needing: flaxseed, almonds, pecans or a combination of both, hemp seed, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, shredded unsweetened coconut, sesame seeds, coconut oil and or butter, and then maple syrup or honey as a sweetener. Of course, we want to add a little cinnamon if that's to your taste, and a punch of Himalayan salt to bring out that flavor. Are you ready to get started? Let's get mixing. Traditional granola and muesli always has oats as their base. Today we're going to use the coconut. So I'm going to add the rest of my coconut. That is the base for this granola. And I'm going to add pumpkin and sesame seeds. Stir that in. Hemp seeds. It's a great source of protein. Really, really good for you. Go ahead and add the almonds. I'm using a combination of actually whole almonds, slivered almonds, and pecans today. This would be great. Flax seeds. Tons of omega-3 there. Sesame seeds as well. Kind of an odd choice for a breakfast option, but it is so, so good. I am going to now, probably should have used a bigger bowl. Take note. I'm going to go ahead and add in my coconut oil. Just half a cup of that. And maple syrup. Once again, butter can be substituted for coconut oil, and the honey can be substituted for this maple syrup. We're going to add that in. That is our liquid. Here we go. Stir this all together. I really like cinnamon. It is an amazing anti-inflammatory spice. I use it a lot. Even in hot water, it's wonderful. I'm going to go ahead and add some cinnamon to this. And once again, just to your desired tastes. One way to bring a punch to food is pink Himalayan salt. So I'm going to go ahead and do this as well. Go ahead and give this a stir. Here are a couple of options for you. Before adding the liquid, you could actually take your dry ingredients and put them in small Ziploc bags and just keep them in your pantry and bake as you need them. Or I'm going to bake this whole thing all at once because I have a family of 4. So those are a couple of options for you. When I transfer this onto my cookie sheet, the last thing I will do, especially for my children, is drizzle a little tiny bit of maple syrup on the top. Go ahead and follow further recipe instructions on how to bake this. And guys, just like that, breakfast is ready for a couple weeks.